Let's earn some money. Today I will trade on Pocket Option and I will do it without editing. So actually you can see how it looks like in real life, and after that you can repeat it and earn money. Okay, at first we need to choose what we want to trade. I like to trade cryptocurrency, and for example it can be Bitcoin. Okay, after that we need to choose indicators. Don't change channels. This is the best indicator. And after that, for example, RSI. Okay. So now we can see where the price is going. After that, as you can see, I have on my balance $153, and I don't advise you to trade using all your balance, because of course you can easily lose them. So we will use $10 per one trade, per one deal. Okay, after that timeline can be 10 seconds, so it will be faster for you to see how it looks like. Okay, and after that we can start trading. For example, here we just sell, okay, and after 9 seconds we will see I earn $10 or I lose $10. If I lose $10, I will show you what I do. Okay, but now I earn $9. Okay, as you can see, my balance now is $163. After that, we just take another sell from this point and wait where the price is going. As you can see, now the trend is down, so price need to go down. But now I lose $10, and after that I take two positions down. So the price is going up. It doesn't matter because I can repeat it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, and now we will see I lose or I earn another $50. Okay, 5. And as you can see, I earn another money. Okay, I have on my balance now almost $80. So now I like to sell again. So we will see I earn or I lose 7, 6, 5, 4. But now its price is going a little bit up. Doesn't matter. I take another position down, and just need to wait a little bit. 4, 3, 2, 1. And as you can see, price is going down and I earn another $38. Okay, from this point I like to sell again. Let's see where the price is going, but price is going up. Okay, and after 3, 2, 1, okay, I earn another $9. But it doesn't matter because if I lose, I take two positions in the same direction. So if I sell and I lose $10, I sell another 2 times. I'm not buying. Okay, now we can take one buy position. From this point, 3, 2, 1, and I lost, so we take 2 positions long from this point, and now we just need to wait. Okay, 5, 4, and as you can see, I earn $38. So we just started, it passed 3 minutes, and I already have on my balance $200. This is my real balance, as you can see. So now I like to buy. Price can go down and down, but we will take 2 positions. Okay, 3, 2, 1, and I earn another $9. From here I like to buy again. As you can see, price is going up, and I earn another $9. Okay, it's very good. So from here I will wait. I don't like to enter here in the middle. So because the price can go up or down, so we just need to wait a little bit. Okay, let's analyze the graphic. Okay, here I like to take one buy position, and let's see where the price is going now. 7, 6, 5, and as you can see, I lose $10. So now I like to take one buy position. Let's see where the price is going. 8, 7, 6, 5. Price is going down. It doesn't matter. We will take 2 positions from here and just need to wait. 7, 6. Okay, 4 positions from here. Let's see. 7, 6. And I can do like this a lot of times. So this is not scaring for me. Okay. Okay. And as you can see, I earn $76. Okay, from here I like to take one buy. Let's see. Price is going a little bit up, and after that down. 4, 3, 2, 1, and I take 2 positions from here up. Okay, let's see. And I take 4 positions from here. Okay, 3, 2, 1, and as you can see, I earn $76. Okay, from here I like to take another buy position. and I earn another $76. Okay, very good. From here I like to take one sell position. Let's see where the price is going now. 654. Okay, but price is going up. It's very sad. So I take two positions down and I earn another $38. Okay, from here I like to take another short, but price is going a little bit up or down. Okay, but price is going down. Okay, so I have another $9. Okay, from here I like to take another short. Let's see. Price is going a little bit down, but after that up. Okay, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and I lost. What the fuck? How is it possible? From this exactly this same point. Okay, price is going a little bit down, and now I earn another $38. So from here I like to take one buy position. Let's see. As you can see, we have resistance here, so price going a little bit up, and 2, 1, we have another $9. So I will take another buy. Let's see, 8, 7, 6, 5. Okay, just waiting. And I have another $9. Very good, very good. So I will take another buy because we have resistance and price from here is going a little bit up. So we can earn money from this point. Okay, price is going up again and we have another $9. Very good. So just need to wait. Now we just need to wait. And as you can see, I already have $287 on my balance. So I twice my balance. So if I just buy to $140 in the beginning of this video, I can lose or I can win. But just using this strategy, using $10, you have more chance to earn money. Okay, from this point I can take another buy. So let's take it and let's see where the price is going. And I lose, okay. I earn $9. I was lucky, but I take it another two positions from here and let's see where the price is going. It's going a little bit up and I earn another $38 exactly from this point, a resistance point. Okay, so from here I will take another buy. Let's see, but price is going a little bit down and as you can see now, very important, if price is breaking resistance level, I'm not taking to buy because I can lose all my balance because the price can go down and down and down. So I'm just waiting now. Here I will take another sell and let's see where the price is going. If price is going up, I will not take two sells because price can go up and up and up. Okay, but I earn another $9. So from here I will take another sell. Let's see. If price is going up, I will not take two sells, as I told you, because now price can go up and up. So I'm just waiting now. I just lose $10 and I'm waiting. So as I told you, price is going up, and if I traded here 2 times sell, 4 times sell, 8 times sell, I already lose all my balance. That's why I'm not trading the situations like that. I'm just waiting. From here I can take one sell because here we have level. Okay, 2 sells from this point because here we have this level here exactly. But if price breaks this level, I'm not trading. 2, 1, and as you can see I have another $38 and here I don't like to trade, I'm just waiting. Okay, and now the price is going down, so from here we can take one buy. Let's see where the price is going now. If the price is going a little bit down, I will take 2 buy from this point and we'll see. Because I'm not believing that the price will go down from this point. So I take from here and I earn another $36. If price going down, I take 4 position, but I don't believe that the price will go down from here because we have here level, as you can see, level price. That's why I just like to take buy from this point. Okay, and now we just need to wait again. 5, 4, 2, 1, and I earn another $8. As you can see, payout now is 83%. So I like to change another cryptocurrency, for example, Toncoin. Here we have a payout 92%, so I will trade this crypto. Okay, here we can take one buy position. Let's see where the price is going. 7.6. 3, 2, 1, and I earn another $9. So here is better to trade because we have more money. From here I will take another buy. Let's see. Price is going down. So from here we will take 2 buy positions. If something, from here we will take 4 positions. 4 positions up. Okay, we will take 4 positions up. Okay, let's see now where the price is going. 8, 6, 5, 4, and it's going up because here we have level, as you can see, price level $38, and I will trade buy now from this level. If we break this level, I'm not trading anymore to not lose all my balance. Okay, let's see. From here we can take one short position, but a little bit more. Okay, I lost this situation. And as you can see, already here on $352 on my real balance, we can open our positions, all our positions, and as you can see, almost all of them is green. So I just earn money. Okay, this short I wanted to take, but I lose this point. And from here I can take one long position. Okay, another situation. From here I like to sell. Let's see. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and I earn another $9. Okay, very good. Okay, from here I like to take one buy position. If price is going down, I'm not trading, so just wait. 4, 3, 2, 1, and I earn another $9. Okay, very good. Okay, now from this point a little bit more, I like to take one buy position. As I told you, if price is going down, like now, I'm not taking 2 positions up, because it can go down and down and down, and I can lose all my balance. That's why I'm not trading anymore, I'm just waiting. So as you can see here, already 3 minutes, price is going down, and if I traded these situations, buy, 2 times buy, 4 times buy, using 10 seconds time frame, I already lose it all my balance. But I wasn't trading, and you need to do the same. So if price breaks the level, you don't need to trade, you just need to wait. Or you can choose another cryptocurrency, for example, Chainlink. And from here, for example, I like to take one sell position. And as you can see, I earned $9. Okay, very good. Now I like to take one buy position. Let's see. Price is going a little bit down, but we will take 2 positions from here, because here we have level, as you can see. So now price need to go up a little bit. Okay, very good, and we have another $38. As you can see, I already have on my balance $420, and I started from $140. So you can easily earn money using this strategy, and the link on this website will be under this video or in the comments.